have to pull this little clip here from here using my ply tool here because it's so tight I cannot unscrew it. And then I use trim removal tool and just go around here and remove this, just go around gently and then remove the cover here coming out here. Sorry about the shaky video. So that is what it looks like, and we haven't replaced it for like 50,000 miles. I never looked into it, so it looked like it's pretty dirty. It's not too bad, but it's definitely gonna be replacing it with this OEM one that I got from eBay. That's the number right there. Just gonna remove this and then put the new one in and then put it back and then put the clip back. Hopefully the clip still works. That's where the battery is. You might want to just wipe everything off here. Just make sure it's clean. Right there. That's where the filter goes. So hopefully you can see him go ahead and manually remove the old filter out of here. Actually, it's not too bad. I mean, we don't drive. My wife doesn't drive the car that much, so it's great and pretty easy to remove here. It's the old one. Let's put in the new one. So you're gonna be putting it like this orientation. This thing sticking out like that. Then gonna go ahead and insert into the slot here. Make sure it's all go in. This one over here on the side here. It's two. One over here, and then I believe two more over here. Okay. It's pretty easy to insert it in. Like so. Okay, I'm just ready to put it back. So sorry about the close up here, but basically I'm going to be using the old clip here and just put everything back. Fairly simple here. Make sure it's click in just gently. Okay. So make sure you insert this side in first. Have a little insert in here. Okay. So and then put in the right side later on. Should just be gentle. You don't want to break anything here. So everything is flat here. And then just put the clip back right here. Right over here. Hopefully it still works. If not, just get a new one. Okay. I think this thing spread out a little bit. Let's see. I'm have to close the head a little bit here. Oh, come on, dude. Anyway, I'm gonna get a new clip here. Sorry, it's focusing not too good. Since you see how the head is kind of spread out, I could not put the one back here. I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and put the new one in, and that should be it. Done for the process.